to come on today to show you guys an update on, remember how I was telling you since was the holiday season and how we were going to be doing all that baking and stuff, and that you wanted to keep your cookies, your brown sugar nice and fresh, because you know how brown sugar gets like really hard as a rock, and when you do your cookies, you know, they get hard as a rock too. And I came with the tip that my mom taught me, and she learned it from her grandmother, about how to keep your cookies nice and soft. And remember, the tip was you take any piece of bread that you had in your house and you put it into a container, and that bread would keep the moisture of whatever you were having inside the container. And remember, I was putting them inside my cookie container, and I have made more cookies, but these are the last 2 cookies that I have, and I wanted to show you that these cookies have sucked off all the moisture out and left that bread super hard. So let's open up this container. Let me bring it down so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Alright, so this is how nice and soft this bread is. I can bend it, whatever I need to do. So let's open this container. And do you see this bread? Hard as a rock. Can you hear it? Hard as a rock. And look at what the bread did with the cookies. Look at this. See how nice the moisture was in the cookies? I'll break this one too. And like I said, I only had 2 left. And look how nice and moist this cookie is. Because normally when I make cookies and stuff, and I just leave them without a piece of bread, they are hard as this container. But as you can see, this one was the nice fresh bread that I just got. And this was the bread that has been inside this container with the cookies. Hard as a rock. Wanted to make sure you guys can hear it and see it. Look at that. Can't even bend it because it's so hard. Alright guys, I hope that this tip helps you guys if you decide to try it, or if you already knew about this trick, let Miss Renee know. So if I come up with any other cool tricks, you know, I'll come back. And they taste just as fresh as when I baked them. Alright guys. If I have any more of my mom's tips that I can think of, because my mother had a whole bunch of good baking tips, I will definitely bring and share with my YouTube family. You know I will. Because, you know, you guys share so much things with me. I have to share what I know with you guys. Because it might be something that could help you out. Because who wants to take all this time to make all these cookies, and then they come up to be as hard as a rock, and you've wasted all those wonderful ingredients. So, bread will help you keep some of them pennies inside your pocket. Alright guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you're having a blessed day. And don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed to Renee's Garden, go ahead and subscribe. We do some phenomenal things over here in Renee's Garden. Some good, some challenging, but trust and believe, you'll always be entertained when you click on Renee's Garden, because child, I am always over here discovering new things, running after these animals I have here, dealing with these bugs, dealing with these plants, just like I know you guys are. So if you can't entertain and have fun in your garden, whew, I'd be laid out on that ground with those other animals that I want to lay out. And you guys know which one I'm talking about. Alright, have a wonderful day. Give the girl a thumbs up. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.